tired right now. It is, I don't know, 10:30. I do not want to be making a video right now. Okay. Yeah. Good.
Awesome! Cool!
Yeah, you guys remember me? Hi. I don't see any recognition in their faces.
No, he said he remembers you. Oh.
They remember my hair?
Probably not.
I would think that'd be admirable.
Put your hair in a ponytail, I bet you they'll remember you more.
Remember, they always made fun of my hair.
Right, because you never changed it. Is that on?
Yes,
Stop
hi.
filming me.
YouTube, this is Jessica. She's 19.
Go film everybody else.
Okay.
The reunion. And go give people hugs.
You know, we weren't exactly friends.
Okay. Say hi.
I mean, not that I don't like you.
What
Hi.
You don't like me? What happened? What? What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Y'all just weren't friends back in the day.
Who? You remember that?
I remember.
You remember.
Well, that's how I remember you. I'm not mad at you or anything.
I'm not bad.
Oh, here's an antidote. And I think I got this on camera, so great. When I went in there and my friend Jessica introduced me to everyone, she introduced Martin, and I guess maybe kind of gave me a funny look, and I was thinking, is that my Martin? I have a cousin named Martin. I know that he knows Jamie. I have not seen him I had not seen him in 10 years, so I did not know what he looked like. So, like, I had that in the back of my mind, like, I don't know, should I act towards Martin like I didn't just meet him 2 minutes ago, that I actually know who he is? And then later on he came up to me and he was like, are you my cousin? Like, I'm glad that I wasn't, like, out of the loop, like he wasn't thinking that whole time, why are you acting like you don't recognize me, or something like that. He had as much trouble recognizing me as I had with recognizing him.
He hitting it longer than you, JJ. He hitting it longer than you. He said, hi.
Okay, so be honest. That Martin, is that my cousin Martin?
Yeah, I think you're related to him. You should probably let him know.
I don't reckon.
You should probably just like let him know. By the way, I'm your cousin.
Well, he probably recognized me. But
Anyway,
I
actually,
never,
can you not make
bunch
try to
it?
keep it as clean as possible, so that's why I took my phone.
Okay. Well, in my defense, I haven't seen him in like 10 years or something.
You can do what you want.
Well, that's why I didn't recognize, like, oh, there's my cousin.
I know. This is like Happy birthday, kindergarten.
I don't see anything.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Jamie and Jessica.
happy birthday to you. Oh, you want the Stevie Wonder version? That's not platinum. Go.
You want the Stevie Wonder?
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. She was like, yeah, don't cut it. Don't cut it. Come on.
I was trying to out
Somebody video. Oh, I don't want to
To my sweet friend Jessica.
Oh wow.
Happy birthday to you. I got you. Jamie, want me to sing to you?
I was gonna sing it. I had it. I had to find a note. Who got?
Yeah, it's too much smoke.
Smoke.
My lungs.
Oh, look at you. Chocolate.
Not chocolate.
Oh, it's her birthday too,
Sorry, kind of surprised me.
Happy birthday.
Control that. I'm trying. Is she trying to?
Oh,
no. She gonna tape it. You think you're fine on tape?
I got yours.
Oh, yeah, thank you, Mia. Somebody give me. Here, together.
Thank you.
Here, hug.
Thank you. It's on video, so don't click it.
Oh.
Thank you.
how old are you?
Tomorrow.
This is me getting warm and being a tad bit antisocial. Yeah, there's everyone else, which you can't see. I eventually did become more social, and when I became more social, I didn't feel like, so what have you been up to? We're going to the kitchen. I'm going to put away my chili. And I think I'm gonna go to bed. I don't even really feel like brushing my teeth right now. What time is it? Do you see that? It's 11:03. Wanda Sykes. You're watching Wanda Sykes, Laura Louise? I always feel bad for whatever's left in the pan. Kind of waste. Okay, I think that's it. I'm turning in.